year, and the pencil's lead popped out when I draw the tent. Be careful with your pencil. Ooh, Jade, come on in. Let's talk about pencils. The pencil has some graphite as lead. Is it actual lead? No, there are some hard black or HB scales. What if all wood is on all pencils? A French inventor named Nicolas Jacques Conte invented the modern pencil. Now let's make a pencil sharpener. Look, that's my wonderful camping. This is a drawing of my camp last year. This picture shows me making, playing, Mom and Dad making s'mores, and my dog sleeping. Yay!